Hey guys, Shannon back for another Fitspo Friday. Stay tuned for my first ever cooking video. This morning, I'm going to be bringing you a super quick smoothie recipe that you can make on the fly. What I hear so much is, I don't have time for breakfast. Some people do intermittent fasting, and I do that quite often, and I'll be doing a video series on that as well soon. But sometimes you just need something in your belly, something nutritious, and even if not for you, for your kids. And while I certainly will let my kids have cereal every once and again, seems lately more often than I prefer, this is something that I can literally throw together super quick. I've got, I think there's 5 ingredients in total, and well, one's optional too. You don't have to put protein powder in, but it's quick, it's healthy, and it's nourishing, and it will really fill you up. So this is what I call my brain berry smoothie. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. They've been proven to help with cognitive function. They're anti-inflammatory. They're just kind of like giving you a big old rinse out, you know, like from a cellular level. And I also have a secret ingredient that makes them real creamy. I hate that word. Anyways, avocados, which are full of great fiber, super healthy fats. So without further ado, I do buy frozen blueberries. So all of these ingredients is what I use on a regular basis. I love this Quest protein powder. So if you choose protein, I do like this one. It's got clean ingredients, and it tastes really good. Another one I really like, if you want to spend the money, I think it's a little bit more expensive, is the J-Rob, but they're both amazing. So this just honestly has almond milk. You can also use coconut milk, blueberries, a little bit of sweetener, and avocado, and protein powder. So without that, let's get going. So I use a full cup. This makes 2 servings, by the way. Full cup of almond milk, half a cup of blueberries, half of an avocado, and I just scoop it out with a spoon. My kids do not know that avocado is in this smoothie, so if anyone tells them, you are dead to me. Let's see, a scoop of protein powder, and a couple tablespoons of that sweetener. And I'll put the lid, how's the lid? Where's the lid? See, this is why my production team really sucks. Okay, it's me. So be prepared, Shannon. So put the lid on. I have a Vitamix, which I love, but you can use this in your bullet too, because that's what you have. I'm not even gonna do this video over again either, as you're gonna see when you see this, because you know, this is real life. So stir it up in there a little bit. You'll see this is really thick and creamy. If you can tell when I pour it out. And I pour it into a cup, stick a straw in it, and you're good to go. There's your healthy breakfast in the morning. You get your good fats, your brain berries, and protein. So that's all you need. Have a great day, and I will see you next week.